Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Cosmedix Simply Brilliant. Uncover remarkable results and brighter skin days with 10 specific brightening ingredients that improve dull, discoloured and uneven skin tone, as well as hyperpigmented and photo damaged skin. This brilliant formula also helps prevent future sunlight-induced pigmentation. Simply Brilliant helps skin appear brighter and more radiant without looking blotchy. Now, the benefits are a combination of science and botanical ingredients which help firm the skin and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Helps to even skin tone by reducing the look of acne scars, dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It has free radical fighting antioxidants which defend the skin from the environmental stress that can cause inflammation and damage to collagen and elastin. So acne is caused when oil, hair and dead skin cells clog pores. Ingredients such as salicylic acid and lactic acid help stimulate cell turnover to curb the breakouts. Improved texture and proper product absorption is due to exfoliation. When the surface layer of the skin is removed, fresh skin is revealed and can absorb active ingredients easier. Also, for those with severe gluten sensitivities or dermatitis, rest assured this product is gluten-free. Simply Brilliant is suitable for all skin types, especially good for hyperpigmentation, photo-damaged skin and skin prone to breakouts. It's not for pregnant women as it contains salicylic acid. So you would use this day and night, apply a small amount to freshly cleansed and toned skin. Now it works great with any of your recommended moisturizers and your SPF during the day, and at night time, just for that extra hydration, you would use the Humidify over the top. You can apply as a spot treatment on existing acne to help prevent the production of hyperpigmentation once the blemish heals. So if you would like to purchase the Cosmedix Simply Brilliant, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. We also offer face-to-face consultations and that can be organised online. Until next time, have a great day.